Okay, step 2 of our rebuild is adding in a divider box to the other side of the tongue box. As you can see on my electrical, and this will just be for storage. So I won't bore you with the details of how I put all this together. There's a couple other videos I've done that are very similar woodwork wise, but plywood, birch wood inside gives me a nice little divider in the back side and a bigger one in the front to put in all of my accessories. And that's the front box. Okay, so now we're going to do a quick inventory of everything that's going into the front storage. So we have the jack stand, and then the lug wrench that goes in here, bag of bungee cords, bag of toilet treatment things for the porta-john, shop towels, the handle for the jack stands, like so. Okay, grease gun, the flat plate for the jack stand, or for the stand. I've got it on the wheel right now. So that's that one. All my pads, extra wood for the pads, chocks, okay, power strip. I'm using the rest of them, but I do have some extension cords that I put in as well. There's a goggle go there. And then last but not least, an emergency inverter, just in case I ever need one. But I haven't figured out what to do with this yet, but it's on my to-do list. That will go in there as well. And that's pretty much everything that goes into the front bin. A little more organized, but you get the idea.